What's going on? Smart Air back on your screen right now. So this video is dedicated to risky investors, those people that risk a lot in this crypto space. This video is dedicated to them and is a way for you to make a lot of money because it's highly risky and it comes with high return. That's exactly what you have to understand. And the coin I'm going to use to buttress my point is Love It Inu. Like love it, like what kind of name is that? Like the devs, let them work on this name, bro. Love it, I don't really understand what they are driving at. And I've talked about analyzing contracts for you to invest in any cryptocurrency right here, and I've taught you guys on how to do that. And after analyzing a contract and you see that the coin is very risky, next thing you have to do is you come check what liquidity, and I've checked this liquidity is not locked, and come check what 24 hours trading volume is not bad at all, and also check the market cap so you see on a micro level. So looking at this liquidity is not going to be that volatile, because next thing you have to do is you come to what the token holders. So just come here. So all these functions are good, and the reason why I have issue with this coin is liquidity is not locked and contract address is not renounced, which is not bad anyway. But when I want to invest into any coin that is out there, I look at some salient things. If that contract fulfill those important factors, then I go all in. That's how I do my investment. But as I said earlier, this video is dedicated to what people that take high amounts of risk in this crypto space, and I'm going to kind of like buttress my point. So look at the orders right here. You can see that it's more than 15k, pretty massive, right? So this is Love 18 and I'm on daily time frame. This happens to be the third week of trading. So if you see a chart like this, remember I've talked about double top before, which is a reversal pattern in the market, and you can see what market trading to the downside, which is pretty simple. Anybody can spot it and kind of like analyze the chart. But my point is, when I see coins like this, right, so this is where the trick comes to play right now. This is where the trick comes to play. Look at this point right here. Can you see this listing price? So this is a Gecko terminal tracker. So from the Gecko terminal tracker, you can see that the tracker is what here. Can you see where the listing price, and you saw this massive pump. I'm on the daily time frame, so don't ever forget that I'm on daily time. So we saw a massive pump. Can you see that day? Very massive. And the next day is what? Reversal. Can you see that? So anytime you see that price has returned back to its previous demand zone before the pump, you get, before the pump, that's why you can see that the daily candle close, that's the daily candle close yesterday, so it was bullish. Can you see this daily candle close right here? So my risk on pattern in this asset is going to be anytime price trade below this demand zone, this listing price demand zone, I'm going to sell all my position. That's how I interact with this crypto space. You get what I'm saying, right? So at every point of my investment journey in this crypto space, there are certain rules I don't take lightly. If I see price breaking through the zone on a daily time frame, then I'm going to sell all my positions. That's how you have to interact with risky cryptocurrencies that are out there. And just so you know, this point right here, this listing price to this point right here, is not that much. If I'm losing, it's just few bucks that I'm going to be losing. And come to think of it, what if price pumped to the upside? This is a listing price that we're talking about. What if price now start pumping to the upside? You're going to be in a very massive profit. The thing is that there is high chance of possibility that coins that are just being listed for trading few days back, it's going to still pump to the upside again. That's exactly how you have to interact with all these risky cryptocurrencies that are out there. Also, looking at it from a price action standpoint, there is a high possibility that price will trade to this zone before it starts heading down again. And if it wants to finally go up, it has to form a reversal pattern on a daily time frame then you see somewhat bullish momentum to the upside. But if you want to be on the safer side, check for reversal pattern on a daily time frame, like a double bottom, then you can ride in on buy. So that's exactly how you look at risky cryptocurrencies that are out there. And if you see that price has broken through this major demand zone, that's the listing price, then you can just sell all your position and your loss will not be that much. If eventually price go to the upside, that's blow through the roof, you're going to be in a very, very massive profit. So that's exactly how you invest on what risky cryptocurrencies that are out there. And just so you know, if you go to the Twitter page of Love 8, see that they are getting it out there. They want to try to list Love 8, on different exchanges out there. And that's a way of what? Pumping Love 8, on the long run. So I'm smart. If you like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'm definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out and stay safe out there. And before you go, don't forget to share this video to somebody else.